Hi, it's Sharon Smith. I decided it was time to do a video for leg pain so that we can do a little work together and help you release some pain from your legs. Now, we're also going to do a little bit with restless leg. That's kind of a similar thing. There are some relations there between the two. So stick around, and I think you're going to enjoy these. We've got a couple things I want to talk to you about. First, you want to subscribe to me on YouTube because so many of you are enjoying lots of my videos, not just one or two of them. And if you subscribe to me here, YouTube does a cool thing. There's up in that right-hand corner, if I'm poking the right way, I'm not sure, but there's a little bell thing, and anytime I produce a new video, which is every week or two, they send you a little red notice there. So it's kind of a cool organizational thing to have. The other place you want to subscribe is to my website. You get a wonderful gift for that. The link is right below this video, and my website is apainplan.com. And if you subscribe, I've got a video that I made just for you. I take you through a guided process so that you actually get to see what is underneath your pain. You actually get to have a look at it for yourself. You get a lot of really good, really useful information out of this. It's a popular video, but the only way you get it is if you subscribe. So do both those things. Now, before we get started, before you can work with me, you do need to read my disclaimer, and it is also right below. If you're seeing the YouTube version, just click on Show More. Or you can also click on my link and read it on my website. And I am not going to start without you, I promise. I'll wait right here for you. Because we're going to have a good time with this, and I think you're going to feel a lot better. Your legs are going to thank you. Welcome back. Okay, so when we have pain in our legs, there are usually some things that we're not looking forward to or that we don't want to move toward, because legs are designed to carry us forward in our life. And so if maybe you've got a situation that you're looking at, or there's some reason that you're afraid of the future or afraid of moving forward, it can cause you to have leg pain because you're stopping yourself. And the pain serves two purposes. It serves, first of all, a purpose of keeping you safe. Okay, if you think there's something dangerous about moving forward and your legs hurt, you don't move forward, so the pain has done its primary job. It has kept you safe. But you're probably not really in physical danger. It's just something that just spooks you a little bit. And if we clear that out, then usually the pain goes with it. Now, the second thing that the pain serves to do is it's a marker. It's designed to be a guide and a teacher for us. So it's like a marker saying, hey, remember, this hurts. You need to come back and deal with these emotions that are kind of stuck in here with us. So it's twofold, and it's actually doing what it's designed to do. It's a pretty cool and elegant design. I'm not suggesting pain's any fun. It's not, I know, but it is working. It's doing its job. So we're going to work with that first, and then the second thing we're going to work with and do a round about is if you are in a situation that you just want to walk away from or run away from. We have, so many of us have been taught to stay the course and stick it out and work things out. And I'm not suggesting that those aren't good things, but it may or may not be right for you in this situation. And if you have negative thoughts around that, you can also be sticking that in your legs. And it can cause leg pain and or restless leg problems. So you can look at situations and you think, yeah, I just want to walk away from that. But you don't walk away from it. Guess where it goes? Yeah. Okay, so let's start. Let's just tap here. And first we're going to we're going to work with fear about moving forward. A little bit of fear of the future. Even though I am kind of afraid of moving forward, I choose to be okay anyway. And I completely love and accept myself. Even though I'm really kind of afraid of moving forward. It scares me. I choose to be okay anyway. And I profoundly love, honor, and accept myself. Even though I'm afraid of moving forward, I completely love and accept myself. And I'm open to a new perspective on this. There are a lot of things about the future that just scare me. So many things about it that really unsettle me. It just doesn't feel safe to move forward. And I might have allowed those feelings to get stuck in my legs. Even though it doesn't feel safe for me to move forward. There are too many things out there going on that I don't like. What if I'm actually okay? What if I don't need to have these feelings stuck in my legs or any part of my body? I give myself permission to know that I'm safe. I give myself permission to let go of this fear of moving forward. It's safe to let it go. I honor the fact that pain came to help me and keep me safe, but I don't need to hold on to it anymore. I give myself permission to let go of this pain in my legs. It's perfectly safe to let it go. I allow myself to know that it's safe for me to move forward with my life. I'm clearing all those obstacles to moving forward. All the things that have made me afraid. And I know I can come back and do this video again and tap and let go of some more of that. But for right now, I choose to let go of the last of this pain in my legs. It's safe to let it go. And now I choose to fill my legs with safety and security. I choose to fill my legs with confidence in my ability to move forward. I allow myself to move forward with confidence, grace, and ease. Peace. Good. Okay, now we didn't gauge how your legs felt before we started, so you might just feel now. Maybe even pause me and stand up and walk around. I've got a fly helping me with this today. Just walk around a little bit maybe and see how your legs feel. You may want to come back and work with this one some more. But I think you're going to notice a difference. Now, for those of you who have a situation that you just want to walk away from, let's do a round for this. I want to walk away from this whole mess. But I completely love and accept myself. Even though I just want to walk away from this, I choose to be okay anyway. Even though I kind of want to run away from this situation, I deeply and profoundly love, honor, and accept myself. I forgive myself for not wanting to be where I am. Good. I want to walk away from this. But that would mean I'm a quitter. I want to walk away from this. Even though I think that maybe it's causing me to have restless leg and leg pain. It doesn't feel like I can walk away from it. I kind of like to run away from this. It doesn't feel safe to be in this situation. And I think maybe I stuck that thought in my legs. I allow myself to be open to a new perspective. What if I could let this pain be my guide to what's really good for me? I am open to the possibility that it might be good for me to walk away. Even though the consequences might not be what I want, I don't always know what's going to happen next. But I know that staying stuck with this situation isn't good for me. And it's giving me leg pain and restless leg. I give myself permission to let go of this need to feel like I have to stay. It's safe to walk away. There's no dishonor in walking away. It's perfectly okay for me to walk away from this if I need to. I let myself off the hook over this. And I let go of the pain in my legs. I give myself permission to release the pain and restless leg thing. I don't need it anymore. I honor the reasons that these came and know they came to help me and keep me safe. But I don't need it anymore. It's perfectly safe to let go of it now. Peace. Okay, now you should move again and kind of see how you feel about that. See if it doesn't feel different, better. Feel free to come back and do this one as often as you need and see how you do with it. Tapping can change your life. I know from personal experience and from the experiences of all of my clients. So I'm here for you. I also still do one-on-one work, and I have some prepackaged plans for different parts of your body. So I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.